Good morning, dear students. We have been discussing about the fourth chapter, and we have learned here about Kalpana Chawla, her whereabouts, and her achievements as an astronaut. Today, we are going to learn about her space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia. So, let us read and understand the remaining paragraphs to know more about the space mission of Kalpana Chawla. Paragraph number 5. Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. Now, how long was the space mission of Kalpana Chawla? Yes, it was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. And how many times she has traveled around the earth during that time? And how many kilometers? Yes, she has traveled around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. And who were the other members of her crew? Yes, the crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. And what did they do in the space shuttle? Were they simply just enjoying their travel? No, the crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in the space and test stronger metals and faster computer chips, all which cost about $56 million. We have seen two new words, mission and crew. Generally, mission is a specific task with which a person or a group is charged. And here it means a flight operation of an aircraft or spacecraft in the performance of a mission. And the word crew generally means a group of people associated together in a common activity or by common traits or interests. And here it means persons who have duties on a space shuttle. Paragraph number 6. On the Saturday night, when the news about Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote, "She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring." Now, what did we read here? Yes, here we see that on the Saturday night, 1st February 2003, there was a shocking news that Columbia, the space shuttle traveled by Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart in flames, killing all of them. Everyone who heard about this tragedy was shocked, and it was not believable for them. It was a sleepless night for Karnal, and thousands of people glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and other crew had somehow survived. And a journalist wrote about Kalpana Chawla that she was a heroine, and it takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. To become an astronaut, one needs to have a vast knowledge of everything, and the achievement of Kalpana Chawla is an inspiration for all others. Now, what do you mean by enormous and encyclopedia? Enormous means marked by extraordinary great size, number, or degree. And encyclopedia means a work that contains information on all branches of knowledge. Now let us read the last paragraph. Paragraph number 7. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from aboard Space Shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." Now, the story of Kalpana Chawla and her space mission has become an inspiration for all the young Indians. She was a girl from a small town of India who has touched the skies. And in her message that she sent from aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it." So, this chapter gives us the message that we should have strong will and determination like Kalpana Chawla and achieve our dreams. Here, the chapter is complete. Hope all of you have understood. Thank you.